Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a PASCAT DI set based upon maximum minima. Let's go ahead and read the set. The question is, the table below provides certain demographic details of 30 respondents who were part of a survey. The demographic characteristics are gender, number of children and age of respondents. The first number in each cell is the number of respondents in that group. The minimum and maximum age of respondents in each group is given in the brackets. For example, there are 5 female respondents with no children, and among these 5, the youngest is 34 years old while the oldest is 49. So we have details of 30 respondents, and these details, they are on the basis of gender, number of children and age of respondents. So we can see that yes, we have total 30 respondents. In total we have 18 females, 12 males, and based upon the number of children we have 6, 9, 11 and 4 respondents, which again gives us total 30 respondents. Then we have been given that the first number in each cell is the number of respondents in that group. So we can see here that for male we have 1, 1, 8, 2. So these are the number of males in this particular group. These are the number of females in that particular group. Then for example, we have 5 female respondents with no children. So yes, we have 5 female respondents with no children, that means 0 children. Among these 5, the youngest is 34 years old. So this is denoting the youngest, and oldest is 49. So 49 is the oldest. If you read the first question here, the percentage of respondents aged less than 40 years is at least. So we have to minimize the percentage of respondents aged less than 40. So if we go to males first, we have only one male and minimum age is 38, maximum is also 38. So that means there will be only one male having age 38. Then here also we have one male and having minimum and maximum age 32. That means the age of this male is 32. So less than 40 years. Yes. If we come to this group, it has 8 males. Among these 8, the lowest age is 21 and highest age is 65. We are trying to minimize the number of people aged less than 40. Okay. So if I minimize the number of respondents aged less than 40 here, I'll take only one person from this group which will have age 21, rest all they will have age 65. Okay. Then in the next group, this males group, we have 2 males. The youngest has age 32, oldest has age 33. Both are less than 40 years. So we'll have 2 such people over here. Then we come to females. We have to minimize the number of people. Okay. So youngest female is 34 years old, oldest is 49. I have to minimize, so I'll take only one female having age 34, rest all they will have age more than 40. Okay. Then if I come to this group, it has 8 females, youngest is 35, oldest is 57. So that means I will take only one female having age less than 40, that means 35, and rest all they will have age greater than 40. I'll take one from here. Next group, I have 3 females, youngest is 37, oldest is 63. So I'll take only one female from here. Next group, I have 2 females, youngest having age 27 and maximum having age 40. We are looking for age less than 40. Okay. So we'll have only one female here which will have age 27. One will have age 40 because here we have only 2 females. So in total, how many people do we have age less than 40? This is the minimum number of people. So 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5, 5, 1, 6, 6, 3, 9. So 9 out of 30. So percentage will be 30%. Okay. Option D will be the correct answer. So this was very easy. Similarly, we'll solve the next one as well. Given the information above, the percentage of respondents older than 35 can be at most. So we have to maximize the number of respondents older than 35. If I look at the first group, I have only one male, youngest, oldest. That means there's only one male and has age more than 35. So we'll count this one. Next one, I have only one male having age 32. We won't count this. Here in the next group, I have to maximize the number of people older than 35. Okay. So I'll take only one person who will have age 21, who is the youngest here. Rest all they will have age more than 35. So I'll have 7 people from here. Okay. In the next group, I have 2 males and youngest is 32, oldest is 33. So no one can have age more than 35. We won't count anyone from this group. We come to females. I have 5 females in this group. So I'll take only one female having age 34, youngest, and all of them I'll assume that they will have age more than 35. So I'll take 4 females from here. Next group, I will take only one female having age 35 equal to 35, and I'll take rest 7 females from here having age more than 35, okay, because I cannot take a person having age equal to 35. We are looking for older than 35. Next group, I have 3 people, youngest of them is 37 years old. So definitely all of the people in this group, they will have age more than 35. So I'll take all 3 from here, okay. Next group, I have 2 females, youngest is 27, oldest is 40. So I'll have only 1 female who will have age more than 35, because one has to be of 27 years old. So in total, I have 1 plus 7, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 7, 19, 19 and 4, 23. Percentage will be somewhat close to 76.67. Option C will be the correct answer. Even this was very easy. Next one is the percentage of respondents that fall into the 35 to 40 years category age group, both inclusive, is at least. So now I have to include age 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, okay. We are looking for at least, that means I'll minimize the number of people in this age group, okay. If we come to first one, I have 1 male having age 38 and we'll have to count it, okay. So this will be counted. Next one, only 1 male having age 32, this won't be counted because we are looking for from 35 to 40. Then in the next one, I have 8 males, youngest is 27, youngest is 21, oldest is 65. Since I am minimizing the number of people in this age group, I'll take 0 people from here. Why? Because one has to be 21 years old and I can assume that rest 7, they all will be outside this age group, okay. Then next one, I have both of them having age less than 35, not falling into this group, we'll have 0 from here. If we come to females, I have 5 females, youngest is 34, oldest is 49. I am minimizing the number of people in this age group, so I can take 1 female having age 34, rest all they will have age greater than 40, okay. So 0 from here. Then next one is 35 years old, oldest is 57, there are 8 people over here, okay. I am minimizing, so I'll take only 1 person, the youngest one is 35 years old, that will be taken. Then in the next one, I have 3 people falling into age group from 37 to 63, okay. So I'll take only 1 person from here having age 37 falling into this age group. In the next one, again I have youngest 27, oldest 40. I'll take only 1 person from here having age 40 will fall into this group, so 1 from here. So now if I count the total number of such people, we have 1 over here, then 1 over here, 1 here and 1 here. So in total I have only 4 such people, okay. So percentage will be 4 upon 30 into 100, which will give me 40 by 3, that means 13.33%. Option C will be the correct answer. So that's it. It was an easy set. You just have to think about what can be the maximum and minimum number of people that you can put into an age group according to the conditions given in the question, okay. I hope the explanation was understood. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.